ever wanted to explore about the culture of different groups of people? Well, that's we'll be learning about today, ethnography and ethnomethodology. According to Himes, 1974, an ethnography of a communication event is a description of all factors that are relevant in understanding how that particular communicative event achieves its objectives. Ethno means people or folk, and graphy means describe something. So we can conclude that ethnography is describing and understanding another way of life from the native point of view. So that ethnography is also about qualitative methods. There are questions how to conduct it, how to analyze and collect data, how to write a report. That's all the methodology of ethnography. And for the collect the data, you have to see, record, analyze, and cite. Whereas we can use the ethnography, we can use it on sociology, cultural anthropology, organization, business, and psychology. When we talk about the ethnography, we can make analytical perspective about that. First, not beginning with the theory, but observation. Second, grounded theory. Third, make the familiar strange. Well, with that perspective, we can think about ethnography is about rather than studying people from the outside, we can learn people from the inside. Ethnography have various factors and Himes use word of speaking to declare it. As for the setting and scene of speech are important, refers to the time and place, scene refers to the abstract psychological settings. B. Participants include various combinations of speaker-listener. E. For ends refers to conventionally recognized and expected outcomes of an exchange as well. Ec. Sequence actual form and content of what is said to the actual topic at hand. K. The fifth refers to the tone, manner, or spirit which a particular message is conveyed. I. Instrumentality refers to the choice of channel, oral, written, or telegraphic. Norms of interaction and interpretation refers to the specific behaviors and properties that attach to speaking. Genre clearly demarcated types of utterance. And the speaking formula is very necessary reminder that talk is complex activities. Let's move to ethnomethodology. Ethnomethodology is qualitative research methodology which has recently gained across disciplines, more specifically social and health science. It generally seeks to provide an alternative to mainstream sociology approaches. Ethnomethodology provides methods which have been used in ethnographic studies to produce accounts of people's methods for negotiating everyday situations. It is a fundamentally descriptive discipline which does not engage in the explanation or evaluation of the particular social order undertaken as a topic of study. Ethnomethodology focuses on the study of methods that individuals use in doing social life to produce mutually recognizable interaction within situated contexts, producing orderliness. Ethnomethodology is the way people make sense of their everyday world. It is concerned with cultural know-how. Ethno means people, method means method, logy means study. So the ethnomethodology is also about the study of ordinary members of society in the everyday situation in which they find themselves and the ways in which they use common sense knowledge, procedures, and considerations to gain an understanding of navigating in and act on those situations. There are 5 types of ethnomethodology study can be identified. First, the organization of practical action and practical reasoning. Second, the organization of talk and interaction. Third, talk and interaction within organizational settings. Fourth, the study of work. And fifth, the necessity of work. Ethnography is qualitative research that we can discover with the social order and intelligibility. With the analytical perspective, study of groups or areas, common sense knowledge, procedures, consideration by which people make sense of and act on circumstance in which they find themselves. Varieties of talk. It is instructive to look at some of the ways in which various people in the world use talk. Varieties of talk used in different ways among different groups or people norms of linguistic behavior. This helps to maintain peaceful social relationship by allowing people to keep in touch. This varieties of talk is important because speech is used in different ways. Each group has its own of linguistic behavior. And we come to the last statement. What the difference about ethnography and ethnomethodology? Ethnography is primarily concerns itself with prolonged study of a group of people. However, ethnomethodology studies activities of groups, specifically studies how individuals give sense to accomplish their activities. Ethnomethodology specifically, it is not so much concerns with that they are going, but rather how they make sense of it. Ethnography involves participations and immersions, and ethnomethodology can discover with social order and intelligibility. So, I hope it's clear enough about the material ethnography and ethnomethodology. Goodbye.